Welcome to Learn English with Maria. I'm really happy you're here. Today's episode is going to be super useful and full of real, everyday English. We're going to practice simple, natural English sentences for different daily situations. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you know English, but in real-life situations your mind just goes blank? Do you ever want to speak in daily life, at home, at work, at the grocery store, but you can't find the right words? You're not alone. This happens to a lot of people. But the good news is you don't need complicated words to speak well. You need the right words. And that's exactly what we're going to learn and practice together today. This episode is all about real English you can use in real life. We'll go situation by situation, like morning routine, going to work, cleaning, shopping, and more. You'll hear the sentences, you'll understand them, and most importantly, you'll be able to use them with confidence. So listen carefully, repeat the sentences with me, and don't worry about mistakes. Fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. Are you ready? Let's begin. We'll begin with the morning routine at home.
I just woke up and I feel a little sleepy. Let me open the curtains and let some light in. I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face. The water is a bit cold this morning. I need to take a quick shower before breakfast. Where's my towel? I left it here last night. I'm done with my shower. That felt refreshing. Now I'm getting dressed for the day. What should I wear today? Let me check the weather first. It looks sunny outside. I'll wear something light. I think I'll wear this blue shirt with jeans. I'm going to the kitchen to make some breakfast. Should I eat eggs or just toast today? Let me make some tea. The kettle is boiling. Here's my cup of tea. It smells so good. I'll have some toast with butter. Now I'm sitting at the table and having my breakfast. I like to start my day with some quiet time. After breakfast, I'll clean up the kitchen. I'm washing the dishes now. Let me wipe down the counter too. Now it's time to start my day. Going to work or school. I need to get ready to leave. Where are my keys? Let me pack my bag. I have my notebook, laptop, and charger. Do I need my ID today? Yes, I do. I'm heading out now. The traffic looks heavy this morning. I hope I'm not late. I'm waiting for the bus. The bus is here. Let's get on. I found a seat near the window. I like to listen to music on my way. I'm looking outside at the street. We're almost there. Time to get off the bus. I've reached the office. Let me say hello to my coworkers. Good morning, everyone. I'm logging into my computer. I'll check my emails first. There's a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to prepare some notes. I'll grab a coffee before the meeting starts. At the grocery store. I need to buy some groceries today. Let me grab a shopping list. I need milk, eggs, bread, and vegetables. I'm taking a shopping basket. Where's the dairy section? Here's the milk. I'll take 1 bottle. Let's get some fresh eggs. I also need a loaf of bread. The vegetables look fresh today. I'll buy some tomatoes and cucumbers. Do I need any fruits? Yes, I'll get some bananas and apples. Where are the snacks? Let me grab a bag of chips. Do I need anything else? No, that should be enough. I'm going to the checkout counter. Hello, how are you? Can I pay by card? Here's my card. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's go home and put everything away. Cleaning the house. It's time to clean the house. Let me start with the living room. I'll dust the shelves first. There's so much dust on the table. Let me vacuum the floor. Now I'll fix the cushions on the sofa. I need to take out the trash, too. Let's move to the kitchen now. The sink is full of dishes. I'll wash the dishes first. Now I'll clean the stove. Let me wipe the counters and mop the floor. The kitchen looks much better now. Now it's time for the bathroom. I'll scrub the sink and clean the mirror. The tiles need a good wipe. Finally, let's clean the bedroom. I'll make the bed and organize the clothes. I'll put the dirty laundry in the basket. Now I'll sweep and mop the bedroom floor. Everything looks neat and tidy now. Cleaning takes time, but it feels good afterward. Talking with a friend. Hi, how are you? It's been a while since we talked. What's new with you these days? I've been keeping busy with work. Did you watch that new show on TV? Yes, it was really interesting. I've been trying to cook new recipes. Do you like cooking? Maybe we can cook together sometime. Are you free this weekend? Let's go out for coffee. There's a nice cafe near my house. We can sit, relax, and chat. I always feel better after talking to you. Let's plan something fun soon. It's good to stay in touch. Take care and message me later.
We've already gone through some great situations like morning routine, going to work, shopping, cleaning, and talking to a friend. Now we'll move into more everyday situations, keeping the same easy and natural style. At the restaurant. I'm feeling hungry. Let's go out to eat. There's a restaurant nearby. It looks nice. Let's go inside and get a table. Hi, we'd like a table for 2, please. Can we sit near the window? Here's the menu. Everything looks so good. I'm not sure what to order. Do you want to share something? I think I'll have the grilled chicken. What are you going to order? Excuse me, we're ready to order. I'll have the pasta, please. Can I also get a glass of water? What kind of drinks do you have? Do you have anything vegetarian? How spicy is this dish? Can I get this without onions? Thank you. That smells amazing. Let's eat. Wow, this tastes really good. Do you want to try some of mine? I'm getting full. Should we order dessert? The chocolate cake looks tempting. Yes, let's try one. Excuse me, can we get the bill, please? Do you take cards? Here you go. Thank you very much. The service was really good. That was a lovely meal. Let's come back here again sometime. Making a phone call. I need to call the doctor's office. Let me check the number. Okay, here it is. I'm dialing now. Hello? Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment. Is Dr. Smith available tomorrow? Yes, I'm free at 10 a.m. Thank you. That works for me. Can you please confirm the time? Is the clinic open on Saturdays? Great. See you then. Or calling a friend. Hey, how are you? It's been a while since we talked. I just wanted to check in and say hi. Are you free to talk for a few minutes? What have you been up to lately? That sounds fun. Let's catch up this weekend. Okay, I'll text you later. Talk to you soon. Bye. At the bank. Good morning. I'd like to open an account. Can you tell me what documents I need? I have my ID and address proof. I'd like to open a savings account. What's the minimum balance requirement? Can I get a debit card with this account? How long will it take to activate my card? Is online banking included? Can I also deposit some cash today? Here's the amount. Please count it. I'd like to withdraw some money. Can I get it in smaller bills? I need to update my phone number. Thank you for your help. In an emergency situation. I need help, please. There's been an accident. Can you call an ambulance? Someone is hurt. I don't know what to do. Please stay calm. Help is on the way. Where are you right now? Give me the address or location. Is anyone else injured? Try to keep them awake. Help is coming. You're not alone. Or something simpler. I lost my phone. I can't find my wallet. I think someone took my bag. Can you help me, please? I need to report a theft. Where's the nearest police station? Is there a lost and found? Online ordering. I want to order food online. Let me check the app. Pizza or burgers today? This restaurant has good reviews. What do you want to eat? Okay, I'm adding it to the cart. Should we get some drinks too? Let's add a dessert. I'm placing the order now. It says delivery in 40 minutes. I'll pay by card. The order is confirmed. Let's wait for the delivery. The food is here. Let me check the items. Everything looks great. Let's eat while it's hot.
Great! Let's continue with more useful and natural English sentences for different real-life situations. We'll keep it friendly, easy to understand, and super practical. Perfect for daily English practice. At the pharmacy. Good morning. I need to buy some medicine. Do you have anything for a headache? I have a sore throat and a little fever. Is this over the counter or do I need a prescription? Can you suggest something for cold and cough? I feel very tired and weak. Do you have any vitamin tablets? How should I take this medicine? Should I take it before or after meals? Can I take this on an empty stomach? Is this safe for children? What's the dose for adults? Are there any side effects? How many times a day should I take it? How long should I take this medicine? Do I need to complete the full course? Can I take this with other medicine? Is this syrup sugar-free? Do you sell digital thermometers? Can I return this if it's not needed? I've lost my prescription. Can you give this again? My doctor told me to continue the same medicine. Please write down the instructions for me. Thank you. That was very helpful. Take care. Have a nice day. Taking a taxi or ride service. I need to go to the train station. How much will it cost? Can you turn on the meter, please? Please go a bit faster. I'm in a hurry. Can you take a shorter route? It's okay. Take your time. The traffic is heavy today. Please drive carefully. Can you drop me here? Do you accept online payment? Here's the fare. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a good day. At a clothing store. I'm looking for a shirt. Do you have this in size medium? I want something in black. Can I try this on? Where's the changing room? This is a little tight. Do you have a larger size? I like this one. How much does it cost? Is this on sale? Can I return it if it doesn't fit? What's your return policy? Do you accept cards? Can I pay by cash? Thank you for your help. Small talk with a neighbor. Hi, good morning. Nice weather today, isn't it? How's everything going? Did you have a good weekend? I saw your plants. They look beautiful. Do you need help with anything? We should catch up sometime. If you need anything, feel free to ask. Have a great day. At the post office. I need to send a letter. Do you have envelopes? How much is the postage? I want to send this by speed post. How many days will it take? Can I track the parcel? I need to buy some stamps. Can you help me fill this form? Where should I drop the letter? Thank you. Have a nice day. At a bookstore or library. I'm looking for a book on cooking. Where's the fiction section? Do you have this book in stock? Can I reserve a copy? I'd like to borrow this book. What's the return date? Are there any late fees? I need a library membership. Can I use the reading area? Thank you. I'll come again soon. We've now covered quite a range of everyday situations, from going to the pharmacy, riding in a taxi, buying clothes, small talk, visiting the post office, and the library.
That's all for today's lesson. I hope these daily English sentences help you speak more confidently in real-life situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Maria for more simple and useful English practice. And let me know in the comments, which situation do you want to learn next? I read all your messages, and I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.